Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. In this video and the next few videos, I will be teaching you how to use action bars in Android. So first of all, what is an action bar in our Android app? So whenever we open our Android app, this black strip you can see here where your app title is there, or you can see some overflow menu here. It's called an action bar. And to action bar you can add your app icon, your app title, and some of the settings. For example, you can add about your app, some information or some settings or some search icon and some sub menu if you want. So let's see how we can use this action bar and how we can use our custom icons here in the sub menu. So let's get started. First of all, open your Android Studio and I'm going to create a new Android application, and I'm going to name it as Action Demo, for example. And then I'm going to click Next. And one thing you need to notice here is this action bar is available after Android 3.0 or after API 11, including this API 11 and Android 3.0. So if you want to see action bar on your Android app, you need to choose this API level, which is API level 11 or above. Before that, action bar was not available. So for example, I choose this API level 12 or Android 3.1, and then I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to create a blank activity and click Finish. So my project is created now, and this is a blank project, and when I run this app like this, my blank app runs and I can see the default action bar is provided by Android to us, which has the title, so Action Demo, and the sub menu you can say here, and this three dots here are called overflow menu. And overflow means that something is hidden behind it, or you can show multiple icons or sub menus here. And you can even add an icon to your action bar, which I'm going to show you how you can add your app icon here and how to add your customized overflow items. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's see how and where this action bar menu resides in our project. So first of all, I'm going to remove this hello world from here, and then I'm going to go to my Android manifest.xml file, and in here in the Android theme you will be able to see style/app theme. So in style.xml file, this theme, your app theme, is there. So I'm going to go to this values folder, and inside this I will be able to see the styles.xml file, and in here I can see the theme of my action bar. So I can see that my style name is app theme, and parent is theme.appcompat.light.dark action bar. So this action bar is already present in my app, right? Now, what are the methods which are responsible to open this action bar? So when you go to your main activity.java file, you can see these two methods. One is called onCreateOption and second is onOptionsItemSelected. Okay, so these two methods are responsible for showing and some actions for this action bar. Okay, and when you go to your menu folder here, so go to menu, and in menu underscore main.xml file you will be able to see here, you can see this action settings. So you have your menu, and inside your menu you have some menu items, and first menu item here is called settings. Okay, so you can see here we have the settings menu here. Okay, and it says that show as action never. This we will discuss in a while, but now let's do it by ourselves. So once again I'm going to go to my main activity.java, and in here this on create option menu is responsible for my menu main. So it's going to inflate my menu main whenever this method is called, and this is responsible for my items in the menu. So you can see there is a menu called settings which is called by this function or method. So let's delete these two methods, and we are going to create them from scratch, so we will be able to understand how they work in a better way. Okay, so let's delete them. And first of all, for example, I want to add an icon to my action bar. How can I do it? So let's see how we can add an icon to our action bar. So go inside your onCreate method, and here we will declare a action bar object. So action bar AB is equal to get action bar. So just write get action bar, and then from this action bar we can select a logo for our application. So just write ab dot set logo, and if you know, in our drawable folder there are already some default icons available. For example, this IC launcher. So I'm going to use this default icon, but you can use your own app icon. Just you need to paste your icon inside this drawable folder and it's going to work. Okay, and that we will also cover in the later video or in the next video itself, how we can add some icons here. But right now I'm going to add a default icon. So just call r dot drawable dot IC launcher. Okay, so this is the icon. Now I can see this set logo is giving me this error here, and it says call require API level 14. Okay, and we are using, I think, API level 12. So we need to add some supporting library to it. So how we can do it? We can, instead of using get action bar, we can use get supported action bar. So get supported action bar, and it's going to give us this red bulb here, and when you click on this bulb it's going to say that change variable AB type to Android support.v7.app.actionbar. So we will do this, and it's going to add this supporting library. Okay, and then we can set our display logo enabled. So AB dot set display logo enabled, this one, and we are going to set it as true. And one more thing we need is AB dot display show home enable. Okay, so set display show home enabled is equal to true. Okay, so this method is going to enable your logo, and this method is going to enable your home. Okay, so now we are going to run our program or app, and now our app is running, and we can see here this icon is shown here. So this is the default icon which we have used, and now our app has this icon here. Okay, and you will also notice that here this overflow menu is gone, because we have deleted those two methods below which are responsible for this method, okay, or this item here. So we are going to add this manually in the next video, and we will see how we can add menu items to our action bars in the next video. So stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.